Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Taurus. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for what your person feels about this connection. And I'll be giving angel's message at last, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Taurus. Rider. One more card, guys. Taurus, today uh, somebody or someone is what to say coming to communicate with you. Maybe something very important, some great news is coming your way, guys, or some person is coming towards you. Some kind of new change is there, some announcement, maybe from far. Maybe your person is coming to see you, or you are ready to face what to say any kind of challenge that is coming up, to see this person or meet them, or some kind of new opportunity also, guys, that may be coming your way. And for some of you all, someone may be what to say trying to communicate with you, give you advice, or somebody may be gossiping about you or this relationship, some kind of, or you may be getting some kind of information about this relationship or this person, some third hand information, maybe some kind of doubts or something of that sort, guys. But with this positive set of cards, I feel you may be just discussing few things, maybe your future, with your friends or family, and you will be happy to do it. So maybe not so much of gossip, so maybe just a communication between friends, something of that sort, guys. And you may be getting information about something, maybe your relationship. This may be regarding your work also. You may be getting news about your promotion or some new change. Maybe you may be moving to a different city, a different place, something of that sort, guys. So that may also happen here. Or you may have a visit from your friend. They may come to gift you, and they may be what to say very happy to see you. Or some of you all may be overcoming some kind of difficult habit, something you wanted to break free, some habit you felt it was bad for your health, maybe some addictions. You are breaking free, guys. So you are overcoming your past negative, what to say, some difficult situation you had, and you are getting that clarity in your mind and you are happy about it, guys. So that is the cards here, Taurus. And some of you all may what to say, you may be happily breaking away from your past person, and you may be moving to a new person, finding new love. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So for some of you all, it may be new love, guys. And maybe some person you like, they are coming towards you to propose to you or gift you and meet you in person. So that may also be the energy here, guys. And You are feeling responsible for this choice. um, Maybe uh, you are feeling really happy that things are happening this way, things are what to say, falling into place this way, and this person is coming towards you, and you feel responsible for the course of actions that are taking place in your life, guys, and you're really happy how things are going, guys. So let us pick a few cards from the other deck, Taurus. Let us see what your person feels about this connection or about you, Taurus. What your person feels. With these cards, Taurus, I feel your person feels really happy to be in this connection. Very positive energy they have towards this connection, and they feel secure and safe, and they feel loved, and they also feel what to say, they are open to commitment if you are ready to propose to them, or they may be thinking of proposal and spending their lifetime with you. So they have that kind of attraction towards this connection, guys, that kind of understanding, and they want to make it work, guys. They want to make the effort to come towards you. So uh, this may be the energy here, guys. This person wants to come towards you, they want to make the effort to come towards you, guys, and maybe they are planning for a proposal, guys. That may also be the great news you're going to get today, or you may be planning to propose to them. So that may be the energy here, and you are overcoming your past. So whatever negative emotions or feelings you had in the past, you are overcoming that, and you're feeling very confident and enthusiastic to face life, guys. So uh, you just feel so happy about how things are falling into place, Taurus. So that is the reading, guys. Let's see what the angels are guiding us to do today. Be tolerant. So with this card, guys, the angels are guiding us to be what to say, in any situation. Instead of being reactive, you just need to be what to say, you need to respond, guys. So that way you will change a negative situation into a positive one. So you don't have to give up your ideals or beliefs, but you have to understand your situation and be impartial to yourself and to your person. You have to see what is the truth, and then you need to respond, guys. And you should be able to listen to your person. So whoever you are having that communication with, guys, maybe friends, family, whoever it is, you need to be what to say, supportive. You need to listen to their views about your situation, and when you do that, when you just listen to them and respond, you will clearly overcome the hurt, whatever is there in the situation, and you will get the solution, guys, for any problems. So today you need to be impartial, guys. In any situation, you should view others suggestions the same way you view your own. So that is what the angels are guiding us to do today, guys. So that is the reading, Taurus. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.